Welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, our first summer activity is coloring. Second activity, memory match. Third activity, nature scavenger hunt. Fourth activity, water play. Fifth activity, sidewalk chalk art. Sixth activity, gardening. Seventh activity, role play. Eighth activity, fireless cooking. Ninth activity, beads and threading. 10th activity, target throwing. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.